rocking the bell. Got my buddy the air back. Kick it into overdrive. First stage of the plug weld, I still have to go along and fix a few spots. Suck this up and fold her over. Okay, let's get on that. Raining, but I should be okay here, just under the overhang. Clamps will help out. That's pretty good. A little spongy there. I've only got 4 clamps this size. And I'll fold her over here and then move that clamp over to there. Grinder. It's probably like 6 now. You could put a tack weld there. This is where it was impacted. I had some damage in this quarter. Had a dent line going along here. See if I can get a weld in there. Got her. I think that got it. There you go. And on the flip side, which is the right side, looks pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Looks good. A little bit of tidying up there, and a little bit more there, and that should be good. Got to get these spots now before I go too much further. I'll go over it a few times before I call her good. There goes the garbage truck. Looks like the last of the craters. Pot marks right there. This is coat number 3. There it goes. Put it around there. One more coat and then color. As you can see, there's some metal showing in places. You gotta really watch the edges. You get it naked metal again, and then the paint won't stick to that. The color. Okay. I'll get a coat on that. Then I can put my fillers over top on the pinch seam. And there's a finished hood. The saga of the GTO hood is over. That was a long haul. Pretty good. There's some places, but I don't want to get it any higher. Mount it on the, get it all assembled, made it up to the fenders, and see how we're doing. Here's the corner, actually both corners. I have some deviations in them. There's a little low spot in the middle there. Welding. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just ready for fillers. My cowl turned out good. This corner. And this is little duck bill. I want to put it up beside the fender and see how it fits. So I don't want to do any fillers right now. Let's bolt it together and see how she fits. And also, living here in Canada, we don't have the availability of aftermarket components, panels. Pretty well got to get it from the States. So by the time you add all the brokerage fees and duty and transport and the exchange, it's double or more, and then you're still just getting an aftermarket hood. Not the most cost-effective hood, I agree, but it's a good hood now. This will last a long time because it's been taken apart, and good quality paints is always the key for longevity. You cheap out and yeah, you're not going to get the mileage out of it. Or you could have got this from aftermarket suppliers, but it's not OEM, and you're taking a chance on how it's going to fit. It's probably even thinner gauge what they use. Hard to say what you're going to get. Anyways, it's done now. Let's move on. Have a door skin to put on. That's what I'll do next. The driver's side, the driver's door needs the skin put on, so we'll move on to that. We'll see you in the next one.